Okay guys, so I'm just sitting here, editing videos and some other psychotic stuff. Editing videos, making thumbnails, and getting ready to start trying to go on YouTube more, right? See? Got this, and my phone, and all of a sudden, the Christmas tree starts shaking. Now, mind you, our cats have never actually gotten up in the Christmas tree until today. Of course, I don't catch her in the act. But this psycho right here, her, has probably managed to take off her collar and gotten up into the Christmas tree multiple times. And this may or may not be the effects of the catnip I gave her earlier today. Also, there's a video about me giving them catnip, and I'm going to put a thumbnail on that soon. So, yeah. But, really, Gypsy, you need to come over here and give me your collar so I can put that back on you. So that we can find you when you're, wrecking the Christmas tree. Yeah. Okay, that's it for now. Bye.